I know some of you are struggling to find where your e-learning is or to log into the system, so I thought I would do a little video to show you how. If you go onto Google and Google our college, it will take you to this website. You can click on staff and students, or if you go on the actual page, you can find the Student Intranet at the bottom of the page in the purple section, which is here. Or again, if you go through Google, you can click on here. This will then take you to a login page. Now, to log in, you need to have your badge, you need to remember your student number. Your password will be the same as it was in college. If for whatever reason you can't get on, you can't remember your password, or it logs you out, if you send your personal tutor an email, they can unlock your password. So if we go to this section, you have Student Intranet, Solar and email. Now it will take you to a login page. Obviously it won't say my name on it. Your login is your student number, and then at student.riversidecollege.ac.uk. So it's quite a long email address. Again, this bit is on your badge, and you need to add this bit at the end. This will take you to your password. Like I said, you should know it. Some of you might have it in a piece of paper in the back of your badge. If you don't know it, speak to your personal tutor and they will reset it for you. When they reset it, it will be Moodle 1 with a capital M and a number 1. There we go. Okay, this will bring you to a page that looks like this. We have Solar, which is where all the work is. Then you've got an email here. You can email any of your teachers, you just type in their names. If you go into the Solar page, it has lots of things. It goes through loads about well-being to help you during this time. You can also go on the email this way, and you can have a look at some of the little bits and bobs. Now, to go into your work, you need to go to My Courses. Most of you, it will say that there isn't any courses. So you have to search and enroll onto the courses. Now, I've already put a course on this student, but if you go into here and search courses and type in Foundation Studies, it comes up with everything that we have. Now, the main ones you want to be focusing on is really important, your maths and English. If you go to here and click to enter this course, it will come up with Enroll Me. Now, you can all enroll onto our courses, so once you click on it, it should go straight through. If it doesn't, try and send a message and we'll get you set up. Now, when you go through, it has all the activities there for you to do. There's some reading, writing. It's got loads of things that you can get on with while we're all at home. If I have a look at, that's the English one. And if we have a little look at the maths one as well, all kinds of stuff. So all you need to do is go into the section, and then just find anything you want to do. Have a little practice of it at home. Please try and send your work back to your teachers so that we can be looking at how you're getting on. And you can do that in your email. So if you go onto, this is through Solar, but you can go on the email like I showed you before. This will take you to your emails. Now, if you want to email your maths and English teacher, that's fine. If you want to email your personal tutor, that's fine. You should be able to search for their name and it will come up. Okay, so you just search for their name and then you can send them an email. Please keep us updated with anything that you're getting on with. It's really nice to hear from you all. If you have any questions or if you need more support, please speak to your personal tutor. They should be able to help you log on, or if not, you know, you can always speak to me and send me an email. So please take care and let us know if there's anything you need. Thank you.